In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Pinterest desktop videos and gallery. We'll walk through a simple, reliable process on a computer with clear tips to keep things smooth and safe. First, open your web browser and go to pinterest.com, then sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, look to the left side and click the board where the video is saved. Opening the correct board makes it easier to find the exact pin you want. Next, switch to the pins view so you can see all of the items in that board at a glance. When you spot the video you want, click it to open the pin in its full detail view. Give it a second to load. You should see the video player along with the usual pin options. Now locate the share icon on the pin. It typically looks like an arrow. Click that and choose copy link. This grabs the direct URL to the pin and puts it on your clipboard so you can use it in the next step. Because Pinterest doesn't include a built-in video download button, we'll use a trusted third-party tool for personal or educational use. Open a new tab and go to PinSave Pro. As with any third-party site, avoid entering account passwords, watch out for pop-ups, and stick to the main download button. On the PinSave Pro page, click into the input field and paste the link you just copied. Double-check that the entire URL appears, then proceed. Click Download to let the tool analyze the pin and prepare the video file. When the download options appear, click Download again. Depending on your browser, the video may open in a new tab and start playing. If that happens, look for the three dots menu on the video player, click it, and select Download to save the file to your computer. Your browser will place it in your default Downloads folder, where you can move it into your photo or media gallery. That's the whole process. Open Pinterest, find your board, choose the pin, copy the link, paste it into PinSave Pro, and download the video. Use this method only for content you own or have permission to save, and always respect Pinterest's terms of service and the creator's rights. If this walkthrough helped, consider organizing your downloads into a dedicated Pinterest videos folder so you can find them quickly later. Thanks for watching and happy saving.